Hello guys, it's Julia, and I have a phone to unbox, which this is not my phone, by the way. My dad got a new phone. I don't know if you guys saw when he got the S21 Ultra, but now he has upgraded to the S23 Ultra. I'm just gonna unbox it, show it, power it on. I'm not gonna go through the setup because this isn't my phone, but I will put the case and stuff on it. But I just thought, why not go through an unboxing? So I will say, I do like the box. It is colorful. And you can see that there's stuff on the back here. I'm not going to show the bottom because it shows like the phone's information and stuff like that, but he said I can unbox it. He doesn't really care to unbox a phone, so hopefully this will unbox it, or hopefully this will get it. Yeah, this is getting it. So we're just going to open it with my tool, break the seal, and we're going to do that. And wow, the phone is huge. I did not expect it. I've never seen this phone, by the way. Never seen it in my life. Oh wait, he got it in a color. Ooh, that's actually not a bad color. It's like a reddish pink. I don't know how to call it, but this is what the phone looks like apparently. I have never seen this phone before. I've never even looked up what it looks like, so this is new to me. Let me move my thing a bit, but I will say, first impressions, it doesn't look like a bad phone. It looks nice. There's like, how many cameras? It looks like 5, but I know it's not. It can't be 5 cameras. Maybe 4? I can't tell. Although that doesn't look like a camera. I'm not sure the specs of this phone, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I just wanted to make an unboxing. I will set the phone down. This is the case, and I guess this is like to clean it. This is just a piece that came off the phone. And the box literally only has the phone, nothing else, no cord, no charger, nothing. It came with absolutely nothing. Unless it's in here, which it might be in here. Because I was gonna say, how can it not come without a cord? Like, does it actually have no cord? Like, it has to have a cord. Like, I've not seen a phone come without a cord before. No, there's a cord. Okay. So we do have a USB-C cord. And actually, it's USB-C to USB-C, which I don't know if you can use because I don't know if his brick is USB-C. We've got a SIM ejection tool. And we do have, like, the quick start guide. So if you guys are, like, interested in reading that, that's just the guide. And the terms and conditions. So if you, I doubt anyone reads these, but put that to the side. We are going to put the phone in the case, but we do need to peel this off, so that's satisfying. I am going to put the case on immediately, just because, when you first get a phone, hopefully this goes in properly. It's like not wanting to go in for some reason. There we go. I know I'm probably getting fingerprints on the screen, but we have a cleaning cloth, so I'm gonna clean it. It looks like you got a clear case, and then there's like a camera protector. So you can slide it back and forth, and it protects the camera. So that's actually a pretty cool case, because it protects the camera. This is like a cleaning cloth, I believe, that came with the case, I think. Maybe it's like to clean the screen or to clean the cameras. I'm not sure. Or whatever, but we'll clean it. I might show the phone after it's set up, I'm not sure yet, but I just realized my camera was like, okay, let's try and turn the phone on. Wonder how charged it's gonna be. Okay, so Samsung. I noticed there was another plastic piece, so the phone tilted, so I had to like fix it. So it is loading. I'm not going to go through setup though. I'm just gonna show it because we're gonna have transfer data from his old phone, so I'm not gonna like go through setup. I think last time I just set it up without doing that at all, but I don't want to do that this time. So we're gonna actually, because we're gonna transfer data from an old device. but you could see that we don't even have the SIM card or anything in it either, even though it shows like, I don't know if that shows signal or not. My phone's kind of blurry at the camera sometimes. It's better if I zoom it in on my phone itself. We have 47%. I don't know what that icon blinking is. Oh, I think it's because it has a pen. Yeah. That's right. This phone comes with an S Pen. So if I like tap it, I'm okay. I'm gonna put it back. But this phone apparently comes with an S Pen. Like right here. I think I heard something about that. But this is what the phone looks like. I'm usually not the biggest fan of Samsung devices. I have a Google Pixel 7 right now, which I upgraded from the 6 to the 7 because it was like pretty cheap because it was on a Black Friday. I don't know if I ever talked about it, but people might have noticed. That's part of the case. People may have noticed from my videos from the reflection that I had a 7. Because you can kind of see it. But this is my dad's phone. So he went from the S21 Ultra to the S23 Ultra. I don't want to go through this necessarily because this isn't my phone. But I just wanted to make an unboxing again for you guys. Just so you guys can see the actual unboxing experience and like how it is. But the phone does look nice. I do like how it goes all the way to the edges almost. It's like my phone. My phone's like the same way. But I do like it, I will say. But I probably wouldn't get a Samsung personally. It's just not my thing. I prefer Pixels or iPhones. I might actually go back to an iPhone for my next phone. I'm still thinking about it because there are some things about my 7 I don't completely like, and the camera can be a bit weird on it sometimes. But I might record a follow-up video, but this is the phone, and I'm going to probably have him go through the setup and transfer his data, and I might show it afterwards. But that is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You know, interesting unboxing experience, I will say. But I don't know if he'll use this cord. Oh yeah, one thing I will show you guys before I end the video. He also did get some Galaxy Bud 2s that I have. They're completely sealed, not been opened, but I don't think he's going to use them or not because he's not the biggest fan of headphones. I don't know what I'll do with them. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or give them to someone. I really don't know yet. I'm just going to hold on to them for the time being. I might try them out. I do have Pixel Buds and AirPods already though, so I might use them on like my laptop maybe if I'm able to use Galaxy Buds on another device, which I'm sure you can, but I'm just not sure if I have to set them up with a Samsung or not first. But anyways, I'm going to stop the video. This phone is interesting though. Alright guys, so before we end the video off, I do want to say that this was recorded back in February. I just haven't had the time to edit the video, and I recorded a ton of videos and didn't edit them. But anyways, to conclude the story. Anyways, a few days after this, my dad was ready to set the phone up. We went to transfer the data and everything, and something weird happened. After it seemed to have, gotten to a home screen, I saw that it still wasn't done. It was still transferring stuff or still doing something. And then afterwards, and after it said that, the phone said it had to reboot for some update. And let's just say it rebooted when the file transfer wasn't fully finished. And because of that, it caused it to glitch out. The apps weren't opening properly. They kept saying there was no app when you tried opening it, and the app icons were all gray and stuff like that. And the region was even set wrong. It was set to Vietnam, and I actually found out the phone was made in Vietnam, so that's probably why it was set to that, but it wasn't like that before. So I ended up just factory resetting the phone again, telling it to transfer the data again, and when it got to that stage, which I believe it was organizing all the data, and that's why it screwed up, because it rebooted in the middle of that due to some update. But the second time it didn't, so it was successful and everything worked. The region was correct, everything was correct, and he's still using the phone. He loves it. It's been a couple months, and I'm sorry for getting this video out so late. I've decided that I'm probably not going to unbox the Galaxy Buds in a video because I'm probably going to give them to my mom because she has a Samsung, and she can probably use them more than I can because I have so many pairs of headphones. So I'm just going to save them for her when I see her probably at some point, or I'm going to send them to her. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will get more videos out, but I just wanted to conclude the rest of it. And I know this is a shorter video, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.